Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Nice to meet you again in the internet. Question 37 is about photoelectric effects. Okay, so look at the question directly. The ejection is almost instantaneous. So it's about the electron of the electron. So you have to remember what happened. Okay, so electron is in a metal surface and one electron absorbs one photon. Because photon is a closed package of energy, so this absorption takes place very quickly, instantaneously, in compared with the wave model. So number one is correct, and the number of electron ejected is proportional to I. So think about it. Okay, I is the intensity of the photon falling on the surface. So remember, when I doubles, the number of photons falling on it will be doubles, right? So the number of electrons emitted should be doubled too. So the number of electrons ejected is proportional to I. Good idea. And the third one is kinetic energy, EKL, of the electron is equal to the Planck constant. Remember the Einstein equation, EK equals HF minus the work function. First, this equation is about the maximum kinetic energy. Second, it is minus the work function, so not equal to HF. So the range of the kinetic energy emitted should be from 0 to HF minus 5. So 3 is incorrect. So what's the answer? Yes, you got it. A, 1 and 2 only. Thank you.